Hello everyone, I'm Ross, the community manager here at Botpress, and today I have some exciting news to share. The Discord integration is finally here, and I'm going to show you how to get it up and running in your server. So the first step we're going to want to do is type Discord in the integrations hub and remove the made by Botpress and verified by Botpress filters, and we'll be installing the one made by Shell. If you look into the about configuration settings, you'll be able to see all the steps that you'll have to do to get it up and running in your server. So after opening up the developer portal for Discord, you'll go ahead and create an application and head to the bot settings. You'll want to scroll down and enable the server's member intent and the message content intent. After doing that, you'll go and view token. You'll copy that and paste it somewhere safe. Again, guys, make sure not to share it with anyone, as people can access your Discord account with this token. So we want to avoid that at all costs. Then you'll go ahead and generate the link to invite it to your server. So in the OAuth 2 section, you'll scroll down, you'll select bot and application commands over here. And then we'll just select the permissions we wanted to do in our server. So we wanted to view channels, send messages, create threads. Also, we wanted to attach files, read the previous message history, and add reactions and create polls. We'll scroll down here and copy this link, and then we'll head over to our Discord server of our choice. So I'll go here, for example, I'll paste it in the chat, and after selecting it, you can choose your servers over here. So I'm going to choose Discord demo. These are all the permissions that we enabled before, and we're going to authorize. Great. So as you can see here in the top right, that the demo bot was indeed added to the server. That token ID we had copied previously will come in handy right here. We'll go in the configuration settings of the integration itself, and we'll paste it right here. After you paste your token here, you'll click Save Configuration, and you can go ahead and start adding your cards in the bot itself. So I'll go here and start adding the Discord card. So we'll do Add Reaction. We'll do Create Poll. And what else can we add for fun? Let's go over here. We'll add list guild members. Guild is another word for server, by the way, guys. And then finally, we'll do pin a message. Okay. The next important step you'll have to do is, after selecting the cards, you'll see you'll need channel IDs and message IDs. Now, in order to enable this, you're going to want to go ahead and open the settings of your Discord account, scroll down to Advanced, and enable developer mode. This will let you get the server ID and channel IDs by simply double clicking and copying the IDs for your server, for your channels, and for your messages. So every time that you see that required in one of the action cards, you'll be able to get them right away. So after copying all the respective IDs, go into each card and paste them where required. And after that, you're good to go ahead and test out your bot. So let's hop in Discord. Hello, demo bot. What is the weather like in New York City? Now, this is simply like you're chatting with an autonomous node. My bot has the ability to go and search the web, so it should respond with the current weather. Awesome. Now we're going to demonstrate the reaction card that we had added. I'm going to copy this message link. React with a cold emoji. And I'll paste the message link here. Another way to do this is also right-clicking and copying message ID. That works as well. And as you can see, I added an emoji here. Now we're going to say, can you please list all the guild members? Guild members is another word for server members again. So now I should only display myself, Ross, and demo bot the application. And we have both of them here. Awesome. Finally, can you create a poll? Did you enjoy this Discord bot demo? And then options will be yes or no. And then you'll have a nice poll up and running for your Discord community to go and vote for, as you can see, created right here. Again, guys, this was just a small showcase of our Discord integration. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to join our server. Ping me directly and I'll be glad to help.